My father actually recommended me to come attend this course. My name's Nicole and I'm 16 years old and currently I'm a student. I wanted to learn how to control my money because I think it's very important to grow my money and not just keep it in my bank account. So if I learn investing, I thought it would be great for me to start growing my money when I grow up. My favorite part of VIP was probably the trade show because I learned a lot from it and I have prepared a lot of things like handmade houses and everything. And I also learned about other stocks from other groups and I learned a lot about both SG companies and US companies. The most helpful lesson probably was maybe the circle of competence. Mr. Chang taught us to know the company well before we start investing in it. I really stand by it and I will follow that. I would recommend VIP to my friends, but for now, I don't think they are really interested. But once they are interested, I will share more about them.